If you've just started breastfeeding, you may be wondering whether nipple pain is simply something every mom has to endure. The truth is that while some mild tenderness can be normal during the first few days, ongoing or severe pain is not. Pain is your body's way of telling you that something needs attention, and addressing it early can make breastfeeding much more comfortable. During the first week after birth, it's common to experience brief nipple sensitivity when your baby first latches. This discomfort usually lasts only 10 to 30 seconds before easing as your milk begins to flow. As your nipples adjust to breastfeeding, this mild tenderness should gradually improve each day rather than become worse. Pain becomes abnormal when it continues throughout the entire feeding, leaves you dreading every nursing session, or causes visible damage like cracks, bleeding, blisters, or open sores. Sharp, burning, or stabbing pain that continues even after the feeding has ended also deserves attention. Breastfeeding should not feel unbearable. The most common cause of nipple pain is a shallow latch. When your baby latches only onto the nipple instead of taking a large portion of the areola into their mouth, the nipple becomes compressed between the baby's tongue and hard palate. This repeated pressure can quickly lead to soreness and injury. Correcting the latch often provides immediate improvement. Other possible causes include tongue tie, incorrect positioning, breast engorgement, pumping with the wrong flange size, or infections such as thrush. If your nipples suddenly become painful after weeks of comfortable feeding, or if you notice shiny, flaky skin or intense burning pain, it's important to seek guidance from a healthcare provider or lactation consultant. One simple way to protect your nipples is to make sure your baby opens their mouth very wide before latching. Aim your nipple toward the roof of your baby's mouth and bring your baby to your breast, not your breast to your baby. A deep latch allows your baby to remove milk efficiently while minimizing pressure on the nipple. After each feeding, express a few drops of breast milk and gently spread it over your nipples. Breast milk contains natural healing properties that may help soothe irritated skin. Allow your nipples to air dry before putting your bra back on, and avoid harsh soaps that can dry out the skin. If feeding is consistently painful, don't wait for it to get worse. Early support can prevent small problems from becoming major ones. A lactation consultant can observe a feeding, identify the underlying cause, and suggest simple adjustments that often bring rapid relief. Remember, breastfeeding may require practice, but it should not require suffering. Mild tenderness that improves over the first few days can be completely normal. Persistent, worsening, or severe pain is not. Trust your instincts, ask for help when needed, and know that comfortable breastfeeding is an achievable goal for most families. Thank you for watching Pump with Isabella. If this video helped you understand the difference between normal and abnormal nipple pain, subscribe for more evidence-based breastfeeding guidance that supports you through every stage of your feeding journey.